Hello everyone, welcome to Be Competitive. In this video, we will discuss 28 July current affairs. World Hepatitis Day is celebrated on which day every year by WHO? It is celebrated on 28 July and this year's theme is Hepatitis Free Future. WHO headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. Tedros Adhanom is the Director General of WHO. Who is the new Prime Minister of Tunisia? He is Hissem Mekhichi. And President of Tunisia is Kais Saied. And capital of Tunisia is Tunis and currency is dinar. Two-time Oscar winner Oliver de Havilland passed away at the age of 104. Who was she? She was an actor. John Saxon passed away. Who was he? He was an American actor. Dare to Dream 2.0 has been launched by which organization? It is launched by DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Who is the author of the book titled The India Way: Strategies for an Uncertain World? He is S. Jaishankar. He is currently Minister for External Affairs. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on which day? It is celebrated on 28 July. Who is the author of the book titled Quest for Restoring Financial Stability in India? He is former RBI Deputy Governor Viral B. Acharya. India has handed over 10 broad gauge railway locomotives to which country? This country is Bangladesh. It was started from Gede station of the Eastern Railway in West Bengal's Nadia district to Darsana. And capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka, currency Taka, and Prime Minister of Bangladesh is Sheikh Hasina, and our Union Minister for Railways is Piyush Goyal. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation IRCTC and SBI Card have launched a new co-branded contactless credit card on which platform? It is launched on RuPay platform. This card is revealed by Ministry of Railways, Commerce and Industry. He is Piyush Goyal. Who is the author of the book The Pandemic Century? He is Mark Honigsbaum. Which first test was conducted under Study in India program? It is Indian Scholastic Assessment Test. As per the report by Terry, demand for electricity in India will be lower by 7 to 17% due to COVID-19 by which year? It will be lower by 2025. Which organization has launched COVID-19 Law Lab for implementing legal frameworks to manage pandemic? This organization is WHO, World Health Organization. India's first honey testing laboratory has been set up at which district of Gujarat? It is Rajkot. So this is the last question of this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my upcoming videos.